Today we're talking with Chris Pickles of BT, and we're going to be talking about a little bit about expanding into new regional markets. So, what countries is BT expanding into, for example?
Well, I think we've got a major investment going on in Asia Pacific. We've got a huge project out there which is expanding the business right the way across the region. We're in there in depth already, but as everybody in the world knows, that's the real growth area in financial services. We're also looking now at the BRICS countries, so Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, and building out infrastructure there, because we're doing this not only within the countries, but also helping the countries build their communications out so they can form part of the global financial markets more effectively.
So what kind of specific challenges are these countries facing?
Well, some of them are very much about the nature of the infrastructure they've got. For example, you've got difficult geographies and no communications in many cases. So BT's been buying things like satellite communications companies, terrestrial connectivity, but it's getting to that level of quality that you need in financial services was a difficulty, where you've got a service that continues to run, is reliable, is secure. That's the kind of challenges they face, and that's why we're particularly going out there, because of our focus on financial services.
I mean, it seems like people so often describe like the BRIC countries as emerging markets, but they're actually doing a bit better than Western Europe and America right at the moment.
I know what you mean. I think as well, when you say emerging markets, we've got to remember most financial markets are intrinsically domestic, and they do some things across their borders. So when you look in somewhere like Russia, for example, we've had hundreds of customer installations in financial markets for years. So it's really they're helping them to move on from accessing services outside the country to start to build their local community, the communications community that they need to make it more cost effective and efficient for them.
Yeah, is that what we're seeing? Is like what specifically are these countries looking for in the communications?
I think the speed is a growing thing now. In many of the developing markets, you don't have the variety of execution venues that you get in the USA or Western Europe, so the arbitrage and high-frequency trading opportunities. They're really looking at how they can integrate their trading, their clearing, their settlement efficiently, but not necessarily using the internet anymore. In some cases, they've used the internet, but it's not reliable, but it is cheap. They can't typically in the past go to more sophisticated services with reliability and security. So we're trying to help them put those in place. We've already got the infrastructure there, but it's actually educating them about using it. If our customers don't know what they can do with what they've already got from us, then that's a tremendous loss.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Ed.
Thank you.